This is a Fujitsu or O General Inverter mini split air conditioner, which has come to me for repair. I will disassemble this wall-mounted air conditioner and then do its wiring. Now I will pass electricity through it. I inserted the plug in the electric socket and turned the button on. Now, I have turned on the indoor unit with the remote. The red light, which is the operation light in this unit, is glowing. It shows the error after some time. The outdoor fan of this air conditioner is working. The error code has started to display on the unit. It is blinking, and now I will count how many times the light blinks. I will put my finger on green light so that I can count the blinking of the red light. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The red light is blinking 5 times. Now I will count the green light. 1 and 2. The green light is blinking 2 times. The combination is of 5 and 2. Which means this is a current trip error. The current trip error is related to the outdoor circuit board. If the electricity voltages are low or high, the unit will show a current trip error. Other than this, if the compressor drive circuit in the circuit board is problematic, still it will show the current trip error, which is a 5 and 2 blinking combination on the indoor unit. You will see its fix in the next video. Click on the left or right thumbnail to watch our next videos and subscribe. Thank you.